guys, Jeff Goldtrap here in Nashville. Earlier we talked about what happens if a complaining witness, if a victim witness does not come to court. And I mentioned the word material witness bond. So people are asking, what can happen? Can I get arrested for not coming to court? Yes, it's possible. There is what's called a material witness bond. It's kind of like, basically, it's being arrested for not coming to court and not testifying. You will see people subpoenaed. Maybe you saw a fight. Maybe you were a witness to a burglary. Maybe you're the person who the state says your spouse beat you up. And so you're subpoenaed. You're given a court order. And a court order is just that. It's an order. It's not a choice. So let's say you ignore that court order. You don't come to court. And the state can retire the case, the state can nolly the case, the state can dismiss the case and bring it up later, but they can do what's called a material witness bond. And that means this: you are the material witness. Maybe you're the only one that saw the crime. Maybe you're the victim of a crime and you're the only one that can testify about that crime, but you refuse to come. And so the state can arrest you and give you a bond that you have to make. Now, Jeff, suppose I can't make that bond. Well, then you sit in jail and you wait for the case to come up. But you have a bond that we talked about bond before. You either have to put up a large amount of money in the court, you have to put up property in exchange for the money, or you have to get a bondsman to bond you out of jail, just like if you'd been arrested for a burglary or anything else. What's a material witness bond? That's what it is. Now, how likely is that to happen? Well, the only thing I can tell you is my experience. In my experience, I've seen that in a few counties, in a few of our neighboring counties, neighboring to Nashville. In Nashville, I've seen that 2 or 3 times in 22 years. So it's not real common, but it is possible. So if you say, Jeff, what can happen? Yeah, that's possible. It sure can happen. We certainly don't want it to happen, and we'll work hard to avoid that. Hey, I'm Jeff Goldtrap. If I have answered your question, I hope I have. If I have confused you, please reach out. Ask me a question. Call my office, send me an email, send me an instant message. I'll be happy to do what I can for you. What's a material witness? What's a material witness bond? Hope I've answered that question. And now I want you to go out there and make it a great day.